Everyone. Cool.
Vikas,
And
morning.
morning. And guys, this is the day 2 for our live interactive sessions. What exactly is the agenda for the day 2? What exactly you know? What we have to do in the day 2? Any answer? If you will come, this is a 55 days interactive sessions. As soon as you will come to the website www.clouddevops.com, there is a one pop-up will come or there is a one tab will come. In this, as soon as you will click here, the batch 37, you will get to know that in the current batch, there is a one syllabus link is available. View the wise syllabus. Okay, as soon as you will click on the day wise syllabus, you will get to know the day 2 what exactly the agenda is. The agenda is very straight or very simple, that before the cloud what exactly the people or what exactly we guys are doing into the data center. This is what we are going to discuss in the today's session, as well as the very similar message I have sent it into the WhatsApp group as well. Let me show you. Okay, we have sent the one message also so that you can able to see that what exactly we are going to learn in the yesterday's or next sessions as well. Okay. Cool. And let me bring up the PPT as well in front of you guys so that it will be. And I just want to know in the couple of seconds what exactly we have discussed in the last classes or last one class. Can on a very high level, can I get an idea? Please. Do you want to speak up or me? No one? Let I have to quickly revise it. Okay. This is the day 1. In the day 1, we have just given on a very high level that what exactly we are going to learn in this sessions. Okay, in this next 55 sessions. Here, I just on a high level, I just told you that what exactly the happening in the day 1, what exactly has to be happen into the day 2, what exactly has to be happen into the day 3, and for the 55 days, I have explained you into the yesterday's session. Okay, and we have decided that we have discussed that some people are into the freshers or non-tech category, and because of this 55 session the intention will be like you have to become a cloud and DevOps engineer. If you will become a cloud or DevOps engineer, this will be the benefit for you. You will get a high salary, you will get a better growth, you will not be replaced by anybody in the company, or it will be very difficult and you will not do the manual work, you will do the automated work. This is what we have discussed in the yesterday's session. Okay, we have discussed some problems and I provide you the very straightforward solution that if you follow the proper path for the 2.5 months, then you will able to achieve it. Cool. We have discussed or we have decided that if we will learn alone, we may have to struggle a lot. But if we will be into the group, if people will help, people will motivate, competitive environment will be there. And because of that, we can able to achieve the desired goal, what exactly we are looking. Cool. In the previous class also, I have explained you what exactly the 2.5 month model. Okay. And if still anyone is not into any of the WhatsApp group or any of the community, I would like you to scan this barcode so that what will happen, at least you will be into our WhatsApp community and the message or the information, what we would like to provide it to you, it will reach to you. So if anyone is not yet into the group or community, please scan this barcode and join the community. Or I will give the link also at the end of the session as well. Cool. And we have decided that we will follow this path for the next 2.5 months. And in this path, the intention is like from any of the profile, we would like to get a job into the cloud and DevOps. I hope you all are ready or aligned. Just type A into the chat box if you are aligned. Everyone, everyone, please. Everyone, yes, I can able to see that 5, 6, 7 messages into the Zoom. More cool. Thank you. Okay, and this is our agenda. And about the program, I will be the sole responsible person for each and everything. Whatever is the question, non-technical, technical, whatever it is, I will be the person. I am Vikas. I will help you out for each and everything. Okay. I have given you the high level information that what exactly will happen into this, okay, and why we have to learn the cloud, because 90% companies are using the cloud. We have discussed in the yesterday's session, okay. Cool. And we are starting this journey from very basic. If you don't have any knowledge, if you feel that you are very lacking into the IT, that is also possible. If you don't have any coding, no IT knowledge, that is also acceptable, because we are going to learn everything into these sessions. Agree? Yes or no? We have discussed in the yesterday's session. All good till now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. I told you earlier also that
Yes.
we don't need a very high configuration laptop. If you have a very basic laptop, we can able to connect to the cloud and we will able to perform the activities. So no high-end laptop is required. Basic laptop is really required. Laptop or PC, anything is required. Okay. But if you don't have the webcam, you must have to be webcam will be required. Not for me, for giving the interviews. Because if any virtual interview is there without camera, it may not happen. Okay, so it will be required for you. Okay, and rest everything we have already discussed in the yesterday's session. Okay, about me, I would like to introduce again. I'm Vikas, around 13 years of 14 years of overall experience. I did multiple certification as well as I'm a senior cloud architect in one of the big MNC. I'm the corporate trainer. I'm the thrice trainer for the AWS trainings as well. Okay, and I publish multiple articles. You can see in my community. I did 100 of POCs as well. This we have already discussed in the yesterday's session. Some FAQ I would like to really take because some students are still asking. Yesterday, some more lots of students are asking, "Sir, where is the recording? Where is the detail?" I would like to explain, guys. I will take not more than 5 minutes, but I would like to explain again. This is started yesterday. It's a Monday to Friday regular 8 a.m. sessions. Okay, you have to give us 75 plus hours or 2.5 months or 11 to 12 weeks to us, then only we will able to achieve or we will able to complete or we will able to make you the cloud or DevOps engineers. 100% placement assistance will be provided to you. Multiple internal opportunities will be provided to you. Okay, and no coding, no prior experience required. And by any reason, if you feel that you missed the batch with your marriage, family, whatever it is, XYZ, okay, you can come to the next batch also possible or acceptable. Okay, cool. Okay. Yesterday we have taken the group introduction as well. So today I don't want to take it, but at the end of the session after 9:30, definitely we will discuss what exactly the group or what exactly the number of people are. If you will learn by own, definitely on a high level, the cloud or DevOps look like this. Okay, but we will simplify the things for you, and we have already simplified this in this term. Okay, so that things will be very simple, and we will able to achieve it. If you feel that you will able to learn this DevOps Infinity 2, practically it will be very difficult. Okay, so we have simplified this and we have simplified into the syllabus. Okay, if you will see here, this is the syllabus which we have created. This syllabus is straightforward, says that we are going to follow this all in the next 55 days. Okay, and I'm giving you this link as well into the chat box so that you can have a look, or I want you to have a look into this sessions or this link, please. Okay. And after that, I have told that anyone can become the cloud and DevOps engineer. I really want to take this point again. The intention is like, because you have to be very clarify or you have to be very aware that yes, it is possible. I would like to say that if you are any of the support engineer or if you are in any of the IT activities, means you are already doing the operations work. If I mean, be on mute. If you are into the support activity and if you will learn little bit of development activities as well, then it is possible. Yes, if you are a manual tester, you are already doing the development activities, okay, or you have involved into the development activities. If you learn the operation activities, you can become a the DevOps engineer. Simple. If you are already admin or you are admin of any of the administrator, like you are administrator for Kubernetes, you are administrator for the Windows, you are doing the administration activities for any of the tool, then you in the DevOps also we have to be a administrator person. Okay. So yes, if you will add 2 or 3 more tools, the DevOps tool in your entire life or into your career, then definitely you can become a DevOps engineer. Okay, and if you are feeling that you are already doing some automations, you are writing some script, you are writing shell script, you are doing some automation with the help of any of the tool, just involve some 2 3 more tools into the life and you can become a DevOps engineer. Network engineer, you are already dealing with network, you are already dealing with the databases, you are already dealing with the IT technologies. If yes, we will, or you can upgrade yourself into the cloud technologies, cloud network, cloud databases, cloud operations, then you can become a cloud engineer as well. And if you will combine cloud and DevOps, then you will become a cloud and DevOps engineers. And the intention is like, whatever is your previous profile, if you are a fresher, you don't know anything, you want to come into the technology, you want to learn into the technology, you want to earn the high package, then Yes, it will be good for you. You can be anything, or you can start with the DevOps as well, is possible. Make sense? All clear for everyone? So I can say that anyone can become the cloud and DevOps engineer because it happens in the past, in the previous batches, or in the lot of candidates already done it. Are you agree with my point? Just type agree into the chat box, please. Everyone. If not agree, you can unmute and talk with me, please. Because I can able to see that around 35 people are here. And if you are not agree, please unmute and talk with me. I'm ready to give the answers or defend you. I can able to see that 10 to 15 or 20 people are agree with my point. Thanks a lot. Cool. Nice. Okay. Cool. Now we have already discussed in the yesterday's session what exactly the AWS is, okay, on a high level. Okay, in the yesterday's session, we have already discussed what exactly the DevOps is. Okay, development and operation related activities combined together can be done by the one team that can be a DevOps team. Okay, please have a look into the yesterday's session. If someone will ask, Vikas, where is the yesterday's recording? Definitely this question will come to your mind. So I would like you to come to the website www.clouddevopsup.com. Okay, this is the single website where you will get all the details. If you will click here, join the current batch. As soon as you will click on the join the current batch, you will get to know the batch detail, what exactly we are going to do, what exactly the details is. Here we have created for some couple of days, for the next 2-3 days, we have created a YouTube playlist. As soon as you will click on this playlist, you will be landed into the YouTube, and here you can able to see that day 1 video is already available here. Cool. Is that okay? And I would like to give this direct link also into the chat box. Even in place of this, I will give this link, the Batch-37 course landing page. It will be available for you. So here is the playlist. Here is the syllabus. Okay, and rest some 2-3 days recording will be available here. After that, everything will be available into the LMS system. If you will come little bit down, you will able to see that some pre-requests are there. You have to be into the WhatsApp community, you have to be into the Facebook community, we are giving some good bookmarks links, whatever is required, it is available here. Day-wise syllabus link, which I'm showing here, that is available here. You have to set an alarm for 8 a.m. That is also mentioned here. Okay. After that, what exactly we have did into the day 1? We have provided you whatever the PPT I'm following, that PPT is also available. Plus we have a AI assistance into the Zoom. He is taking our notes. That notes are also available here, and the recording available. And same way for the day 2 also, it will be available. All the things will be available here. Same way, the day 3, day 4 PPT recordings and everything will be available here in the LMS system. Cool. And I will take care of the LMS system as well. I will help you out what exactly or how exactly you have to use it. But at this point, recordings are available on the YouTube. Cool. All good till now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. What about others?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
Yes,
Thanks a lot.
It's winter, so we all are in little sleepy mode.
No, you don't have to be. Okay. If you will come up with a camera, you will not be into the sleepy mode. Okay. And I will never bore you. Okay. Cool. Thank you. So now we are here. Okay. Let's come exactly to the date. Okay. In the day 2, I have mentioned in the WhatsApp group that what we are going to learn. If I will show you the WhatsApp message, okay, in this image says the day 2, we are, or some 5 years back, 3 years back, or 10 years back, we were into the data center. And from data center, how we move or why we have moved into the cloud. And from the cloud, as soon as we decided that we want to move into the cloud, then cloud related services came into the picture. Cloud deployment models came into the picture. So we have to understand the cloud services and cloud deployment model in the today's agenda. This is the agenda for the next 1 hour. Is that clear for you, everyone? Cool.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Right. So now I'm here. Okay. And yes, this is the image which we are showing to you. Okay. And we are going to discuss this in the next one. Okay. Have anyone get a chance in the movie or in the image to look like this type of data center? Anyone? Obviously, yes, right? In the movie, somewhere, okay? Or if you have a 2 to 5 years or 10 years experience, there may be chances you may visit into this type of data centers as well. Or 5 years back, till 3, 4 years back, there was a one server room also in our company where not this much big, but a small server room also will be there. That is also called as a small data center. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to discuss next 15 minutes for the data center. What all the problems happen, why people have moved from the data center to the cloud, we'll discuss in the next 15 minutes. Okay. Cool. Before going into this data center, if I will give a simple scenario to you, okay, the simple scenario says, at this point we are looking one website. Yes, the website is clouddevops.com. If I will take your suggestions, okay, how much effort or what all technology will be required to create a one website? My question is, what all technology or what all things will be required to create any of the website? Can you just unmute, speak up, or write the points into the chat box? What all things are required to create any of the website? And I am taking your notes. Go ahead.
Yeah, it is based on the requirement. Is how is the
The
requirement?
requirement is very straightforward. I need a simple static website.
It
Then
take over 30 minutes.
I'm not talking about the time. I'm talking about the technology. How much technology, what all technologies are required? Go ahead.
Mostly we require some kind of compute resource storage.
Correct. Some
and
compute will be required. Okay. What do you mean by compute? What do you mean by
Excel.
compute?
service.
CPU and
EC2
memory.
service.
CPU, memory. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Cool. What else? Yes, go
storage.
ahead.
And
Storage.
one storage device.
Cool. Storage will be required. Databases will be required. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
go ahead. Go ahead. Some people are
Uh,
writing
network.
Java.
Actually,
Pavan, wait. Pavan, wait. Yeah, go ahead.
Network.
Network related thing. Okay. What else?
Some firewall services to
Good. Firewall will be
Yes.
required.
Domain
Okay.
name.
Domain name, very good. Yes. DNS. Yes. Okay. This will become on the top. Yes. Go ahead.
can
Yes.
I tell? Hello.
No, wait, Pavan, wait, yeah. You have attended my previous batch. Yes. Others. Go ahead, guys. Think it. Because, guys, if you will not able to think, you will not able to give the answer into the interview. I want everyone to think and write it into the chat box. Go ahead.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript also, sir.
Correct. If you have to create a web page, web pages, okay, HTML, CSS, or some designing related thing will be required, correct? Or if you want to create some application like Java or something will be required, okay? Go ahead, think it, everyone. Shweta has given the correct answer. CSS, JavaScript, HTML will be required. What else? That's it.
Manpower.
Obviously, manpower will be required. Correct. Okay. To assemble all these things. Good. What else?
Some web hosting application.
Web hosting. Yes, we need some tool or some web hoster will be there. Okay. Web HOSTINGER web hosting or something like that. Okay. What else? Just think it. If you will not think, you cannot give any scenario based answer. Okay. Please think, and wrong answer is also acceptable here.
Some
Yes.
kind of server room or something where we can deploy that one. That
Obviously, okay.
Mhm.
Some server
Data center
room or
kind.
some server kind of things will be required. I can say operating system will be required, right? Yes, go ahead. What else?
I think everything comes under compute, CPU, memory. So I
Correct. I
think
have
OS
written.
and
So,
it's one
okay.
of the same
I will
thing.
make it to the single line. Okay. In the compute, this all things will be correct. Okay, fine. What else? Yes, go ahead. Please. Anything else? I think
Network or
net
connectivity to internet.
we have written network, okay, or you can say VPC, IG, internet gateway, or something like that.
And
Okay.
sir, for the website to be okay, or
Mhm.
whether the code is okay or not, we need testing also, no? For that.
Manpower in terms of developers, in terms of QA, or to assemble all this in system admin. Correct.
On top
Yeah.
of everything, money.
Because no one will work free of cost, right? Nothing will come in the free of cost. Okay, so that will be my second question. Chalo guys, if let's
Actually,
assume
we will need some DevOps tool also for, for infra related purpose.
makes sense, yes, obviously system admin and DevOps. Okay,
Also,
if we
we will
want to
need the
if we
host.
want to replace all these people, so yes, there may be chances DevOps may come, right? Cool.
Also for backend, if we want to have some database, then we will need some NoSQL database, Mongo, like something.
Yes, if we want to store something into the tables form, row forms,
Yeah.
then database will be required. If you want to store videos, PPTs, and all these things, we need a storage device. Cool, I agree. Yes,
Yeah,
minimum this.
for front end, we will need this HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Yeah, where this HTML, CSS will run, we need a web server as well.
Web
Correct?
server.
Yes, yes.
What is the web server?
We
What are
can say
web
it's
server?
we can say cloud platform. We can take EC2 instance or something.
EC2 is not
AWS
a
or
web
GCP.
server. EC2 is not a web server. I need a web server.
IIS server, you can say that.
Correct.
IIS,
I-
Radius server, and also
Okay, Apache,
Tomcat,
Tomcat, which are very
Apache,
common.
Tomcat,
Same.
yes, yes.
Apache,
Anything.
POM, Tomcat, NGINX, which is very popular at this point. So, okay, this many things will be required. Then only we can able to achieve one of the simple static website. Okay, someone has mentioned XAMPP. Yes, I will accept that point also. XAMPP.
Also, we will need some hosting platform, Heroku or
It's
something.
already written. It's already written. Hosting
Yeah.
platform host. Okay.
Also,
Cool.
some monitoring tool we need to require if
That is the
any
next step. That is the next step.
performance issue is
That
there.
is that is the next step. Okay, that are next step. But minimum this required things will be required. Okay, and guys, if accept cloud, remove the cloud. Okay, you don't know anything about the cloud. If we have to create this type of website, how much days will be required to assemble all these things? Time.
1 month.
1 month,
Within 15 days, 20 days, or 1 month.
Yes,
will
sir,
be
15
required.
days.
1 month, 1 month.
15 days to 1 month will
1 month.
be required. Yes, I agree. Okay. And obviously 15 days or 1 month, if this many teams or this many things we have to purchase it, the money will come into the picture. How much will be the costing? Think it,
That
think it.
depends on
It's
the
if we are using open source, then it's not much cost involved. Only
But
for
these
the
are not open source. These are not open source.
I mean, see,
Manpower.
for
I
front,
think 10
yeah,
to
yeah.
15.
10 to 15,000 rupees, lakhs.
No, 1,000.
1,000. Okay. Chalo, acceptable. Okay. Around 10 to 15,000 minimum, bare minimum, this will be
Yeah.
required. Are you agree? Right? Guys, this all things will be required to create any of the simple static website. Okay. And in the today's session, I'm going to develop this in front of you guys. Okay. Cool. With the help of cloud and DevOps technology. Okay. Cool. Now, to achieve this all things into the data center, what all things will be required? Let me come up here. Okay. We need a system admin team, okay, or we need a huge investment. If we have a team or if we have an investment, then only we will able to achieve it. Okay, first we have to choose the data center also or some hosting provider where we will put all these resources into the data center. Okay, point number one. Second point, either if you are going to take the data center, well and good if you have. If you don't have the data center, another option is you have to send some people to go for the shopping, purchase the hardware resources. Okay, and before that we need a money, we need an investment. Then only your teammate, colleague, or anyone will go and purchase this. Third option will come into picture. Okay, we don't want to purchase, then you can go and take it the resources, but because hardware will be required, so you have to take the hardware into the renting purpose. Right? Three options may come into the picture. Either if you have a data center, well and good. If you don't have the data center, do the shopping and purchase the data center or create a data center. Third is take the data center into the rent. Three options may come into the picture. Okay. But by any of the reason, let's assume you created the data center or you created your own infra. If any of the equipment failure, you have to solve it. If any of the communication, network failure, power failure, any of the problem happen, what exactly the solution is? You or someone has to go into the data center and has to solve that problem. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Whatever is the problem, only solution is you have to go to the data center. It can be in the Indore location, it can be Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, or outside India. If wherever it is there, only solution is you have to run and you have to try to solve that. If it's solved, not solved, that's a secondary part. But you have to go to the data center for the troubleshooting. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone.
Traditional way of working, kind of, I can
Traditional
say
way.
that.
Yes, definitely traditional way. Okay, if we set up it, we have to solve it like this. Okay. Another problem, let's assume today you decided or today I decided that this website has a real-time traffic of 100 users every day. Okay. And suddenly the thousands users came. Then I have to increase my infra as well. Right? Again, I have to go to my previous steps or previous stages. I need again a big server. I have to do again shopping. This may be again a problem. Okay. Let's take a real-time scenario. Okay. We have a laptop. Everyone, we all are using a laptop. Okay. In the laptop, if you will see here, currently, I have a 23 GB of RAM, 23 GB of RAM. And I would like to increase to the 32 GB. Simple question. I have a 23 GB of RAM and I want to increase to 32 GB. How I can do it? Simple answer. Can you give it?
Come back to the screen, please, Vikas.
My question, guys, my question is very simple or very straightforward. Currently, I'm using 32 GB of RAM and I would like to increase to the 32 GB. I mean, there, wait. Others, think it.
Easy. Okay.
Think it. I
We
want
can
everyone
simply
to
attach.
think. What you're telling?
We can simply attach.
We can simply attach. Okay, I accepted that point. Okay. What else? But if you will
we
see,
can expand the memory.
we can extend the memory. I agree. Okay, means somewhere the difference of 8 GB will be there. Okay, and I have to add the external 8 GB. Make sense? Yes or no? But
Yes.
but before that, if I will see here in my screen, already 2 out of 2 is getting used. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Means I don't have any space to put extra memory. Means I don't have any slot in my hardware. One of the problem. Then what can we can do? What we can do in this case?
We can replace, no, only means
Yes.
16 GB we can take. So in the two slots, 32
One already 8 GB is there. You are telling remove this and purchase 16 GB one more and add it. This is what you are telling?
Correct.
If I will go with this approach, the 8 GB resource, I'm wasting it, which I am not able to use it, right? It will be
Yes.
just waste. If I will sell it on the second hand, no one will purchase it, okay? And it's a completely waste of my resource,
Yes, sir.
right? This type of problems, guys, if we create a data center, this is one of the simple example I took it, right? Because we don't have the slot, we don't have capacity, we have to repurchase it, or this should be comfortable with each other. If any of the problem happen, still the money will be get wasted. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Simple example I took for the laptop, but this type of problem will be on a very high level on the data centers. Okay. So yes, in this PPT, I would like to say that upscaling is difficult. Okay. Difficult means in terms of money. Second thing is, again, you have to purchase a new hardware or new resources. It again requires costing. Again, there may be chances if you will do it by own, well and good. If you are not able to do it, you have to raise a ticket to some other team, vendors. They will take your request within 1 day, 2 days. They will come to your data center and they will do the change. Okay. So it may require 2 to 3 days as well. Third thing, the new way is coming into the picture, the cloud way. Can you guess it? What exactly will happen into the cloud to solve this problem? It's already written into the down.
We
Speak
can
up.
expand the storage, na, by simply commands.
Okay.
So like
Any
we
other answer?
are modifying it manually instead of going to the market and shopping. We can sit in one place with internet and laptop, and
We can connect
modify
to
our
the
server.
see, with the help of cloud, we can connect to that resource, that data center. We can just stop the instance, change it with the help of configuration, and we can start it again, and it's done. What is easy, guys? The management of hardware or the cloud?
Cloud.
Cloud.
Just a
Cloud.
gimbal of cloud I given to you. Okay, just a very high level, just a touch. I touched the cloud. Okay, so yes, this is one of the benefit into the cloud. Okay, cool.
Even less expensive.
Even less expensive. More costing will not come into the much picture. Okay, because we are returning the old one and we are taking the new one. Okay, cool. Now, again, some more problem. You have to pay. If you are using, let us assume you created a data center, you are using or not using, you have to pay the rent for all the resources, power supply, cooling, maintenance, hardware. If any of the problem, replacement into the hardware, we have to do it. Are you agree with my first three problems, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
right? Scaling is limited. If suddenly, earlier I took an example 32, I need a 64 GB RAM, I needed 10 servers, then again a huge investment will be required. Yes or no? Let's take an example, big billion sale. Whenever the sale will come or sale will happen, okay, thousands of people came into the picture, right? Or thousands of new users came into the picture. Do you feel that what we can say the Flipkart or Amazon will create or increase the data center? Yes, no.
For one day, they will not do it. That's why they are
For one
other
day
thing
they
is
will not do it, right? But indirectly they have to do it because they want to serve the customers. Agree?
Yes.
Right? But this is the requirement. We have to do it. Right? Cool. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What else? What else? What else, guys? Answer.
rental is again
I
a big
think
thing. Security is a big thing. So a couple of things are there more into. Those are not, but those are playing a vital role in this
These are the
traditional IT approach.
problems, guys. These are the problems. Okay. Use it, not use it. Rent, power supply, cooling, maintenance, replacement, scaling. We have to hire a 24/7 team who will take care of the infra. If any of the disaster, it can be anything, earthquake, power shutdown, any of the problem happen, you are the sole responsible to solve that problem because that data centers belong to you. Okay, so guys, these are the problems happen into the data center. That's why we move into the cloud. Agree?
yes, sir.
Yes, no. Okay. Now, I would like to understand with you guys what exactly the cloud is. Simple, a smart answer. One line answer. Go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Is delivering
The
of computing
cloud,
services, include storage, servers, databases, networking,
Agree. Makes sense.
intelligence over the internet.
Makes sense. Okay. Anyone else?
Everything is available for you virtually and you can use it.
Yeah, virtually available things or somewhere else or someone's else resource with the help of internet we can access, that is called cloud. Right? Indirectly, cloud is a data center, right? Someone's else data center with the help of internet we are accessing. That's why we are calling as a cloud because we don't know where exactly it is. Right? Yes or no? In the reality, there is a cloud? No. In the reality, it's a Linux machine or it's a Linux server somewhere available. Okay, there is no fixed location because means there may be chances you are using the mobile, you are using the Google Photos. Photos are getting uploaded. Where it is getting uploaded? It is upload. You are telling that it is uploaded into the cloud, but where Google is putting your photographs, we don't know, right? So that's why we are calling as a cloud because we don't know. But yeah, when we become a technical person, we will know everything where exactly what exactly it is. Okay, and I will help you out for that. Now, if the question is very simple, what exactly the cloud is? Cloud refers a accessible thing over the internet. Means someone else machine we are accessing, that is called cloud. Means any of the software application database that's running into that data centers, we will call as a cloud. Okay. Cloud servers are located into the data center all over the world. If you take an example for the AWS, GCP, Azure, any of the cloud center, their data centers are available all over the world. We are using their technology. The technology is called cloud computing technologies, which we are using it. Okay. And in the cloud technology, servers, machines, databases, storage, lot of things are coming into that. Okay. And if we are using that technology with the help of cloud provider, if you will see, these all are the different cloud providers and we are using their services. These are the different cloud provider, Azure, Amazon, IBM, Alibaba. These are the different cloud providers and we are using their services, that is called cloud computing. Agree? Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes. Maybe.
Yes.
yes, sir.
One way or
Everyone,
another.
everyone, right? Okay.
Yes.
These are the different providers. We are using their services. That is called cloud computing. Okay. If someone will ask what exactly the cloud computing is, we are using someone else's services by the provider. That is called cloud computing. Okay. In the cloud computing or in the cloud, varieties of clouds are coming into the picture. There are primarily 4 varieties. One is public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, or hybrid cloud. Publicly accessible, increasable very easily, less costly. Private, look like a private area, your own cloud, whatever you want to make the regulation, whatever the control you want to make it, you can make the control over the private cloud. In companies or in the real time, 90% or 92 or 93% means higher side of the 90 are used the private cloud. Means someone will ask the questions, which cloud you are using. So you can straightforward or blindly say that we are using our own private cloud into the AWS, GCP or Azure. Okay. There may be chances if the company is shared. Let's take an example, Reliance. Okay. Reliance is one organization, but in the Reliance, hundreds of different streams are there. Right? So do you think that Reliance will create their own private cloud for everything? There may be chances he may decide that we can create our private for some part, or we can decide our community cloud. Okay, in the community cloud, okay, Reliance and Jio both are same. So Reliance and Jio related storage, we can put into the single cloud so that connection or community or communication will be easy. We don't have to require to intranet or internet to go outside. Let's assume from this cloud to this cloud, if I have to connect, I need an internet connection. But inside the cloud, I can connect with the help of intranet as well. Agree? Yes or no? Guys, everyone agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, right? Yeah. So there may be chances some part or some companies may use the community cloud as well. Because is that possible? In one of the project, I can use some part as a public or some part as a private. Yes, that is also possible. That is called hybrid cloud. In one of the project, because it is possible, I can use AWS cloud or GCP cloud both. That is also possible, and that is also happening in now. Okay, so that type of scenario will come into the hybrid cloud. Any two varieties of cloud connected working with the application, that is called hybrid cloud. Cool? Yes, no, all good till now? Simple?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am giving you some theory part for this. What exactly the public cloud? Just read it. Okay, it's very simple. Just read it. You will able to understand that part. Okay, private cloud, hybrid cloud. Okay, hybrid cloud can be both cloud can be possible. Public and private can be combined. It's called hybrid. Okay, any two cloud which is combined, it's called hybrid cloud. Okay. And if you will see here, costing wise, public cloud is very low price, but private cloud will be little bit higher side. But this is a bare minimum requirement. Let's take an example, hostel. Okay, we are staying into the hostel. There may be chances a 6 sharing room or hall is available, but some people are there. They are staying into the single room. Okay, the single room is called as a private cloud. Okay, shared room can be called as a community cloud. Okay, and publicly those people are staying into the hall or somewhere, that is called public cloud. Okay, less regulation, less security will be there. But if you go into the private, your full control will be over to you. These are the little bit theory. If you will read it, it will be good for you. Okay. Now, I would like to understand some benefit of the cloud. You have heard from a very long cloud. What exactly the benefits? Can you speak up, please? Go ahead, one by one. Go ahead, guys. One by
Always
one.
up.
Always up. High availability will be there. I agree. What else?
If facing any issues,
If you face any of the issue, then
immediately resolve. Means minimum time it will take to resolve the issues.
means you would like to say that their particular team is available to help us. If any of the issue happen, they will help us. Okay, yes, the provider will provide the guidance, help if any of the issues happen. Okay, I agree. 2 points. What else?
Can access from anywhere.
Can access anywhere. Yes, it is remotely available or it is available in different countries, regions, availability zone. That's why it is possible to access from anywhere. Okay, acceptable. What else?
Majority of services, costly services at the like a cheaper price or pay as you go.
Correct. It is pay as you go, which we may not able to develop it in a small costing. If we will develop for our own, it will be very high charges. Okay, but we can go and use it as per the pay-per-go model or pay-per-use model. Agree? Acceptable point?
High availability.
High availability, it will be available into the different regions. Okay, let us assume my customers are from India, US, UK. So it's not possible to create a data centers in different regions, but with the help of cloud, it is possible. What else?
It is highly secure.
It is secure. Okay, it is secure. Okay, because our own logics, our own security logics, we can implement whatever the cloud security logics that also can be implemented by the cloud team itself. So yes, security will be better. Agree?
Scalable and elastic.
Scalable. Okay, today I need 5 servers, tomorrow I need 50 server. I can just click or I can set up something auto scaling and it will be achievable. Agree? What else?
No maximum hardware components is required.
We don't have to worry about the hardware component resources. Okay, yes, there is no maximum limit. Okay, whatever is your
Yes.
capability, usability, we can take on a rent. Agree? Okay.
No
Less-
capital capex and
No starting cost will be required. Okay, zero means if you want to go into the cloud with the help of zero costing, we can go into the cloud. Agree? Means you can create a free account and we'll go. So yes, we all will create a free account for the next 1 year for the AWS, 3 months for the GCP, and we will learn the things into the cloud. Cool, good. What else?
less manpower.
Less manpower. Okay, yeah. Because we don't have to handle the hardware, so less manpower will be required. Acceptable. Okay.
More
Disaster
security
assi-
related to external attacker like DDoS or other things.
Correct. They have their own services also because first they want to secure their cloud. After that, we can create our own private cloud. We can secure as per our requirements as well. Okay, acceptable. Disaster assistance, guys. If any of the reason any of the disaster happen, they will be proactively available, or they have created the data center that very rarely or very less chances of disaster may happen into that place. Okay, so that type of things they have created. So disaster, if by any reason any of the disaster happen, their team will help us for that as well. No maintenance cost, because whatever we are taking on a rent, the maintenance is already included, so no extra maintenance cost will be required. Okay. If you want the data center in your region, that also can be possible. It will be very high productivity available, easily upgradable, low cost of ownership. We are taking the things on a rent and we will be the owner for that as well. So guys, these are the benefit of the cloud. Anyone want to add any other point if it's coming in your mind? Yes, no?
Number of data centers.
Yeah, they have a
where-
very high,
wherever we
huge number of data centers. I accepted. What else?
So redundancy is more.
Okay, acceptable. Redundancy is more. Okay. Chalo. This is the benefit. What about the disadvantage of the cloud?
without
You
internet,
don't know.
can't do anything.
Carry on. Good.
Disadvantage.
Without internet, you can't do anything.
Internet is a bare minimum requirement for everything. Okay. So yeah, okay, chalo, acceptable, but minor, very minor disadvantage. What else?
You don't know where data it's saved. It
No,
is saving it.
we know, we will decide
The
everything.
region
But
and
that
the
Just control
you
over
know that
resources.
it's somewhere it's saved. You know that, but if you are using some storage, you don't know where they are storing. That depend upon the elastic.
No. Amit, you are wrong. We know everything. We are a cloud engineer. If you are not a cloud engineer, you will never get to know. We know. We will decide everything. Okay, what else? Another point.
Downtime risk, maintenance risk.
Latency.
Downtime latency. No, yaar, if you will create our own data center, latency will be very high. Downtime, if we will create our own data center, downtime will be too much.
Latency is our problem because we are accessing it out. There is no problem at the cloud, at the AWS and
Acceptable.
latency is
acceptable,
our
agree.
problem.
Agree.
Airtel is giving less slow internet, then it's your problem, not their problem.
Chalo, leave it.
We have to face occasional outages.
No, man, no. Very rarely, once in a year or within 5 years, one time. That is not a disadvantage. If you create your own data center, months it will be down.
so data
data
risk is on third party.
Data with the
depending.
third party. Okay, chalo, I accepted that point. Okay, data will be with the third party. Chalo, I accepted that point. And second point is, guys, if we created any resources in the cloud, if we have reserved it, we are using or not using, we have to pay the rent. Okay, we have to release the things. Okay, this can be one of the disadvantage. It's not a disadvantage, it's a obvious, right? If you are accessing something, you are reserving, you have to pay the rent. Okay, so this can be one of the disadvantage, not a pure disadvantage. Okay, so yes, there are some minor disadvantage. Internet is required. If you reserve it, it will charge. Okay, if we are not much technical person, we may don't know what exactly is happening. So these are the minor disadvantage with the cloud. Okay. Anyone has any better point, you can put in front of everyone. No? Thank you. Now, simple thing, guys, how the cloud works. Okay, the cloud work, you have a front end. Okay, means you have any of your mobile phone, laptop, storage device, or anything. With the help of internet connection, we can able to connect to the cloud. Agree? It can be simple like this. Yes or no? I will show in front of you. Okay, I'm opening my AWS account. This is my AWS account. Okay, in this AWS account, I just came to the aws.amazon.console.com. As soon as I come here, I just click on the sign in. Okay, and as soon as I will put my ID password, I am user ID password, and I'm landed into the cloud. With my laptop, with my browser, I have connected to the AWS Oregon data center. Are you agree? Yes or no? Means what is the bare minimum requirement? You have a right access and you should have the internet connection. That's it. And you will able to connect to any of the data centers. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, no. Everyone.
Yes.
Now I have a question. I have a question for you. Basic technical question. Okay, guys, there may be chances 1 or 2% may know the answer. You have to wait for 10 seconds and then give it. Okay. The question is, I have a lot of data centers. I have this many data centers and Virginia, Ohio, Mumbai. There are so many data centers. Which data center you will choose and why? Go ahead.
Nearest data center, Mumbai.
Based on location.
Makes sense. Okay. Can you everyone write into the chat box which data center you will choose and why? Simple, one line answer. Everyone, think it and write the answer. And I'm opening the data center list in front of you.
So I think for the India, it is by default Mumbai is selected most
No,
of the time,
wrong
but
answer. No, wrong answer. It's not selected. We have to select it. Okay. And Virginia is
By
the by
default,
default selected.
North Virginia is coming,
Correct.
and we
By
have to
default, and
modify.
Virginia will come. Okay. So this answer was wrong. Okay. Cool. Now the question is which data center I have to select and why?
Mumbai.
so if you are
Nearest
in
one.
India, then we have to
Nearest
choose
one.
the nearest. Like in Mumbai, it will be nearest for us because to easily access and it will take less time.
Vishnu, if I will ask the question with you, there are so many shops near to your house. Okay. And sometimes we may go to some other shop to purchase the thing. We are not always doing the shopping to the nearest shop. Are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Then nearest is not the correct answer. Okay. There may be a reason why nearest. See, it may be nearest for you. It may not be nearest for
Mostly
me.
the first reason is because of latency actually, but in AWS I think it's not matter. We can connect to, and the latency is almost same in AWS.
Okay. What do you mean by latency? Pawan, what do you mean by latency?
Latency is related to network and how much time it's taking to website to load or to web page to load actually.
Okay. Guys,
Or
the
application.
answer will come.
Depending upon the users, let's say in India we are having 1,000 users, but if in US if we are having
Yes,
10,000.
absolutely correct. Sandesh, I believe is the answer is correct.
Okay. See, both now two points came into the picture. One is latency, one is number of the users. Are you agree? Even I accept both the points. Okay. We have to consider when we decide which data center, because guys, I am creating your base now. Okay. We are at the zero. We are just creating the things from the scratch. So as soon as we will create an account, we have to decide which one will be our dev environment, which one will be our QA, and which one will be our prod environment. And let's decide it today itself. Okay, so I have a lot of data center. Out of that, my choice will be I need a dev data center, okay, or I need a prod data center. Okay, I'm going to choose 2 data centers in front of you guys. Okay, now as per some student answer came latency. Okay, so let's come to the PPT again. Okay, and I'm just showing if any latency PPT is available. No. Okay, so let me add this latency PPT. Let me show you. Just give me a second. So guys, let's take an example. We are into the AWS at this point. Okay. And in the AWS, I have to check which data center I have to choose it. So what I'm doing it, I'm just opening one link, cloudping.info. Okay. As soon as I will come into this link, these are the all AWS data centers are available. Okay. Same data centers are able to see into this place also. These all data centers are showing at this point. What I will do, I will ping to all the data centers. Okay. I'm going to ping all the data center. Means I'm trying to connect from my current location. I'm trying to connect to all the data centers, and from all this data center, some number is coming. This number is the response that how the US data center is responding to me. Means US data center Virginia took 2.206 milliseconds. Okay, Oregon take 274. Which one is the lowest? London took 1.151 milliseconds. Okay, and then something is here, Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai is giving the response to me into the 20 milliseconds. So as I'm sitting into the India location, for me, the first data center which is coming as Mumbai, which is giving the fastest response. So I will create this as a prod environment for our entire 2.5 months. Okay, and which one will be the second, guys? Second choice. Either I can go to the Jakarta or either I can go to the Singapore. Is that okay?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is
Hyderabad is also coming. Okay. So, but let assume I don't want to create all the things into the single regions. Okay. Let assume it will never happen, but tomorrow AWS contract finish with the India. Then I have to change it by any reason, right? So I can choose the second option can be a Singapore. It can be, guys, human mentality choice. Okay, but we can choose some other country as well. Or second choice, I will make it where my lot of customers are available. It can be US, UK, Canada, Australia, anywhere. Agree? Yes or no? Are you agree, everyone?
Correct.
Right? Or sometime Dubai will be the people choice because it will be a center of the world. Okay, sometimes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I may select the third choice or Singapore. This will be my second or third options. Okay, now this is for AWS. Okay, I'm giving this link, and this number may be changed. If you are sitting into the India, the results may be very similar. But if you will be sitting from any other country, there may be chances the data center or latency will be different for you. You can check it, please, everyone, and tell which one is the best data center for the AWS is coming to you. Please.
Mumbai is the best, and Cape Town is the lowest.
Cape Town is the lowest. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we will never create. Good point. We will never create our data center into this region, right?
Because it will take more time.
Yeah. And it may be good for nearby people, but not good for us.
Yeah, not for us. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Guys, I haven't get the answer for you guys. Anyone apart from the India location, can you check it? Can you check it? What is coming for you?
Yeah, hi Vikas, I was sending a screenshot.
Okay, good. Good, Praveen. Okay, Praveen, your screenshot says, and yeah, California is coming 50 to you, right? And Virginia is also coming 36 to you. Yep, possible. So it's completely means our development team will not decide. We will give this link to the client and client will decide it. He will hit 5 to 7 times and he will give 5 to 7 scenarios, and then we will take the mean average and we will decide this is the data center. Agree? Yes, no? Right? Same thing we can do for the Google Cloud. Okay. I'm going to the Google Cloud and I'm checking their latency. Okay. And as soon as I will go to the Google, I'm selecting all the Google data centers and I'm clicking on the ping. As soon as I will ping it, you will see that. Now, guys, you have to give me the answer. What happened? All data center latency is almost same. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then which one I have to choose it? Guys,
Then depends on number of customers you are using, like
correct.
carriers.
Based on the number of customers, we can choose our data center because everywhere from my current location, London is also same, Germany is little bit better, Australia is not good. So yes, small latency difference is there, but yes, Germany is coming good to me. Okay, and yeah, Germany is coming good to me. So it's not like the nearby is always the best. Wherever the latency is
Yeah,
good,
I think
we
in
can.
this GCP, anyone we can take because it's not
Doesn't
much
matter.
difference.
Doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
not
Okay.
much difference. Yeah.
Doesn't matter. See, in AWS, they've created the data center option. In GCP, they have not created this option. He's telling everywhere latency will be same, wherever you are, all over the world. Okay.
How
So
the
little
data center, how that is possible that you are sitting in somewhere in Indore or somewhere in, and everywhere latency is same. That's a question of.
see, no, it's not same. It's not same. I mean, it's not same. There is a difference. Okay.
Yeah,
There is a
that's
50%
21 to 40
difference.
is not that big one, yeah.
No, it's a difference. 50% is the difference, or 100% is the difference. 100% is the difference, right? 21 to 48. More than 100%.
That's
So
okay,
this is much better. But this is
but if you're
possible.
but if you are comparing the other one, that was if you are sitting in Indore and you are pinging US, that is more than 200 ms and all.
See,
How it is
no,
30?
I
So
mean,
that
it's not possible. I mean, it is possible because their response time is faster. Their servers are into the CDN. If you don't know, they have created the what we can say ability zone into the different nearby location as well. That's why it is possible. Okay, and Google is providing that service to us. Chalo, let's compare the Azure also. Let's see what exactly the Azure is giving the response to us. Okay, if you will see the Azure, I'm giving the link of Azure as well to you and Google Cloud as well, and you will get to know the answer. Okay.
Can you please paste this link?
I have given it in the chat box. Okay. When I'm talking about the Azure, okay, in the Azure also, if you will see, very similar kind of situation is coming. Okay, the latency in 33 milliseconds, 31 milliseconds, or something like that. Okay, and here also, what exactly the best for me? It is also a kind of difficult choice. He already did 10-15 tests for me. Okay, in the one shot, and in the 15 shot, India West is giving this response to me, but when I did the test 15-60 times, sometimes it may not be the good option. Correct? But yeah, we have to test it. When in the real time we decide the data center, we have to test 8 to 10 times or 15 times, and then whatever the average is coming, we have to decide accordingly. Okay, and here the result is whatever is, you can see India West is coming 82. Okay, and India South is coming 80. Asia Pacific is 80. So I can choose from something from this place as well. Or Japan is also giving a good response. So I can create my data center into the India and Japan as well. If my what we can say, if Azure is my choice. Make sense? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Bit confusing.
Yes,
See, the answer is coming in front of you. Wherever is giving the fastest response, we have to choose that.
When we did for AWS, the minimum came for Mumbai and Hyderabad. That is for it.
Minimum. Yeah, see,
Is
no,
it just Japan is
AWS is giving very straightforward answer, correct? That this is good. But when I hit 15 times, there may be chances this number may be here and there. Agree? Then we have to take the average, which is in the 15 times, in the 10 times. Let's take an average 10 times. Whatever is the best option is coming, we have to decide it. Okay.
And one more thing is coming in my mind after seeing
Go ahead.
when it comes to disaster thing.
Mm-hmm.
We all know like every year it is flooded Mumbai. So why we go and choose Mumbai region? We can
That's your choice. That's why I see in the first time only I told that Mumbai and the second is Singapore. Correct?
Because we always have a risk.
See, Javed, see, flooded in Mumbai, but have you seen that data center? Data center is created in the safest location.
Yeah, that is
okay. And why the data center has been created into the Mumbai or all over the world data centers created because the LAN or internet connection passes through the oceans, right? That's why they have to create a nearby location to the where the oceans are coming.
Oceans.
Okay. Yeah. So there may be reasons, okay, why Mumbai, but yeah, if you feel that yes, this can be reason, this is human thing, okay, so you can go in the second option as another one. Make sense? So this is how we have to choose the
It is
data
always
flow.
good to have two reasons.
Obviously, yes.
Okay.
Okay. That's why people are creating a multiple environments into the multiple regions. Good. We will discuss a lot into this part. Okay. This is just a high level start. Okay. Good. Now in the cloud, we have decided the location. Now the choice is like multiple cloud computing options are available in front of you. Public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud, service models are available. Multiple service models like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. If you know about this, well and good. Otherwise, let me take as a practical sessions and I will help you. Is that okay? Cool. Chalo. Now I'm coming to my starting of the session where we have decided this many things. Okay. To achieve any of the website, there may be chances bare minimum this all things will be required. I would like to do in front of you in a practical way with the help of one demonstration. Okay. The demonstration is here. We have to create a website. Okay. If I have to create a website, you can go to any of the cloud provider. You can go to any of the cloud provider. It can be GCP, it can be AWS, it can be Azure. Okay. AWS and Azure, so definitely we are going to, AWS is completely, we have to learn a complete 2 weeks of sessions will be on AWS. So this time I'm going into the GCP. Okay. Now, what exactly I'm going to do it? I'm coming to my browser and I'm opening my Google Cloud in front of you. If you will see here, the Google Cloud URL, console.cloud.google.com. This is the Google Cloud URL. If you will just compare with AWS, it may be very similar. Okay. aws.amazon.com/console. Okay. Here console is in front, here the console is in last, but the URL is kind of also very similar. Okay. And as soon as you will log in, you will be landed into the Google homepage. This is the homepage of the Google, where the basic information about my project, project number, project ID will be visible to you. And we will create a Google Cloud account on the Monday sessions. Okay. And here, as soon as I will come into the homepage, my billing, my information, what all services I am using, that type of basic information is coming into homepage. If you will click on the three dots, if you will click on the cloud solutions, okay, all the projects, so whatever the product, whatever the services of Google Clouds are available, it will be visible into this place. Whatever the services of Google Cloud is available, everything is available into this. If you will come slash to the products, this all products of the Google Cloud or services of the Google Cloud is visible in front of you. At this point, my requirement is I would like to create a virtual machine. So I'm clicking on the three dots and I pinned it the compute engine. In the compute engine, my requirement is I would like a virtual machine to be get created. Now, if I will ask with you, what exactly the virtual machine is? Go ahead. Very basic question. What is virtual machine? Go ahead, guys. I know it is a very simplest question, but I need an answer from you guys.
Virtual machines, it is a reusable compute capacity. It can provide it with the cloud.
Okay, acceptable. What else?
A virtual machine look like a physical machine which has been able to connect the various resources like
it's actually a physical machine with the help of internet. We are connecting. That's why it's become a virtual machine. Agree?
Yes.
In the real time, it's a physical machine hosted somewhere, available somewhere with the help of internet or with the help of virtualization technology. We are accessing that machine. That's why it is called as a virtual machine. Agree? Yes, no. Cool?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now I'm creating a virtual machine. I click on the create instance. As soon as I will click on the create instance, one template will be in front of you. In this template, I have to provide the basic information, what exactly the virtual machine I need. I want someone's name. Please, any one of you, give me your name. Your name, please.
Dixit.
Dixit, D-I-X-I-T. Okay, Dixit, I'm creating a machine with the Dixit name. This machine will be available into the US region at this point. Based on latency, we will select it or we will change it. But at this point, I would like to keep it simple. So whatever the default is coming, I'm taking it. Okay, I'm coming down and with the help, and here the series, multiple series are there. how much compute you want into the future. So that type of options are coming, and I'm taking the default configuration at this point because I would like to keep it very simple in the starting of the class. Okay, so I given the name, I took all the default configuration. It is telling that he will give me a 2 CPU, 1 core, 4 GB memory. That is also acceptable. I'm taking this. Okay, and I'm directly coming and I'm changing the operating system. If I want to change the operating system, there is a boot disk change option is coming. As soon as I click on the change, it is asking me operating system. And out of here, lot of different operating systems are available. I'm taking the Ubuntu. Why I'm taking the Ubuntu? Can anyone give me the answer? Free, open source, publicly available, right? 80% companies are using the Ubuntu. That's why I'm taking the Ubuntu operating system. As soon as I selected the Ubuntu, version 20.4 has been selected. And out of that, one line is coming, LTS. What is LTS?
Long-term support.
Long-term support. What do you mean by long-term support? Yes, your answer is correct. What do you mean by long-term support?
If any issue came, then we can freely connect to the customer. Yeah.
No, yaar, no. Experienced person, give me the answer. What is LTS? Because look like very simple, but there is maybe a reason.
Actually, long-term support in this policy, software releases and receive the bug updates and regular updates
Okay, makes sense. Means what you
certain
want to,
period of time.
what Pawan, you are trying to say that this version will be available for a long term. Means 1 or 2 years, we don't have to worry about the package update. This version will be available for the next 2-3 years because this Ubuntu is telling this is a stable version. Okay, guys, in the production, whenever we are creating any of the environment, we have to take the LTS version primarily. Okay, cool. And disk size, can you guys tell me any of the number between 10 to 30? Any number?
10.
10 is already written, so I'm taking 15. Okay, cool. I'm coming down and I'm just selecting it. This is the basic configuration I did it. Okay, and after this basic configuration, I'm just allowing the traffic. Okay, so that I will get the internet connection into this machine. Okay, indirectly or in short, what all configuration I did, I just changed the name Dikshit. Okay, second configuration, I have not choose anything. I directly came into the boot disk. I changed to the Ubuntu and I changed to the 15 GB. So third click, I just changed this, and after that in the fourth click, I just allow the traffic because I need an internet connection in this machine. So I allowed the traffic and I click on the create. With the help of 4 to 5 click, my virtual machine is going to be get created. Agree? Yes, no? Everyone
Agree.
right? Minimum 4 to 5 clicks and your virtual machine will be ready. Okay, as soon as your virtual machine will be ready, you will be able to see the status of this machine in the next 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, as soon as the status will be green, I can able to log in into the machine as well. Okay, Pawan, be on mute. Now I'm again coming to my PPT. Very first, I just choose the Google Cloud and I created the virtual machine. My step 1 and step 2 are done. Is that okay for everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the step 3, I'm coming and I'm doing the installation of Docker. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is Docker on a very high level, if you know?
No.
Container, I think.
Runtime orchestration tool.
Okay. Any simple answer, guys? I know a lot of people don't know. That's okay. Yep.
Actually, Docker is a platform for developing, shipping, and running applications mainly.
Great. Okay. With the help of Docker, we can run the application and we can ship the application from one place to another. Okay, that can be achieved with the help of Docker. Guys, if you don't know anything, no need to worry. I'm going to teach you everything. Okay, look like simple. I will make it simple. Okay, cool. Now I have to install the Docker inside this machine. For that, I have to connect to the machine. At this point, the machine is showing its status is green. Means this machine is available for me. Now I have two basic interview questions in front of you guys. Okay. Internal IP and external IP. What do you mean by internal IP or external IP?
Internal
Like
IP is something.
Pawan, wait.
it's like public and private IP as in AWS.
Public IP, private IP, I agree. Okay. What do you mean by public IP? What do you mean by private IP? And what is the use? Why two IPs are coming?
Private IP, I guess, to log into the machine like SSH or RDP something.
Connect internally within the network. We use the internal IP.
I accepted this answer. Okay. If you want, let's assume I have 5 machines here and all the 5 machines want to talk with each other. They will talk with the internal IPs. Are you agree? Everyone agree?
Okay.
Right? What is external IP?
To connect out like with the world.
With the world, with the help of internet. If you want to connect to this machine, internet IP is the external IP or public IP. Right?
Real IP.
If we have an internal communication, I have 5 machines, they want to send the data to that. Why should I send the data to the internet? I can transfer the data with the help of intranet as well. Right? So internal IP will be required and external IP for the internet connections. Okay, cool. Now my requirement is I would like to connect to this virtual machine. How can I connect? Go ahead, everyone, think it.
Using external IP.
Connect, like we can click on connect.
Okay, I can click on where is connect button, man? Where is?
Last, yeah, SSH.
SSH. This one?
Yep.
Okay. As soon as I will click on the SSH, what will happen?
Like that Linux type of window will get open. That's
okay. That's obvious. But better answer. I need a better answer.
It will create a session between between
what?
Between your computer, between the console and that this Ubuntu machine.
But I'm expecting some technical answer. If you will say this answer, rejection will happen into the interview. Technical answer, technical keywords. Yes.
So connectivity will happen from your local machines to the Linux machines with the help of port number 22.
Correct. Port number 22 will come into the picture. Okay. Now, guys, my answer. Okay. As soon as you will click on this SSH connection, the connectivity between this user to this machine will be get established with the help of SSH keys. There are 2 types of keys are available, public key and private key. Keys are getting transferred into this machine. Connection is getting established, means keys are getting verified. If keys are looks good, I will be able to go inside the machine with the help of port number 22. Okay, and I have landed to the machine. This is the user. How come he get to know this user? Because this user keys are getting transferred, okay, into this machine.
How is connect by a putty?
No, putty, we are into the cloud at this point, okay? So we can connect with the help of putty also, but it is a direct connection. Yeah. It is a Google Cloud direct connection. Just a 1 click and you will be landed into the machine if all verification or all things are good. In the company, we may use the putty. Yes, I will do in my next practicals with the help of putty and mobile stream as well. But today I have directly connect with the help of SSH option. Okay. Cool, makes sense? Yeah. Okay. With the port number, I'm inside it. Now, I have a very simple basic interview question. What is this tilde sign?
What is it?
What is this tilde sign? There is some tilt is here.
My working directory, my location.
Home directory of a user.
Home directory of the Vikas user.
Yes.
Correct. Home directory of the Vikas. Now I would like to go into the home directory of the root user. What is the command?
CD root.
This is correct. CD root. Just say yes or no. I would like to go into the root location.
Yeah.
Just type yes or no into the chat box.
No. Sir.
Wait, Ankit, wait. Others, guys, everyone think and give me the answer. Yes.
I said.
Think it.
CD/.
This CD root is not a correct command. Okay. If I press enter, he is telling there is no file or folder available into this location. Okay. So what is the correct command? cd/root, and I will be coming to the root location. What is this root location? What is this root location?
Plus root.
Yeah, I agree. This is what I did. What is this root location? What will be inside this?
It's like my computer
Means
on.
all the user information like its home directory means like
Give me a simple
means
one-line answer now, please. Don't rotate here and there. Simple one-line answer. Straightforward. What is this?
It's like my computer on your screen, sort of.
Not a my computer.
No.
Guys, how many members are here? 42 members are here.
This is
Guys,
the
what is this?
subdirectory of Linux.
Subdirectory. No, yeah. No, it's not a subdirectory. No.
Root directory.
Root directory. I agree. But what is the root directory? My question is, what is root directory?
It's kind of our home directory.
System files root.
This is home directory. Okay. This is a root directory. There is a
where the boot and all the files are
Correct.
stored.
Vishnu, you are correct. Dikshit, you are correct. But can I say this is a C drive of my Linux? The root directory where my C drive components will be available? Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? In simple, guys, simple. I want you to compare the things. Okay. See, in my C drive, whatever the components are available, okay, like bin, BIOS, drive, dev, Windows. Yeah, this type of bin is available here. Okay, root, temp, var, users. Okay, var, users, this user, this user. This is kind of similar, right? Yes or no? So I can say in simple, guys, I would like to make it very simple. This root directory is the C drive of my Linux machine. Agree? Yes or no?
Okay.
Right?
Yes,
So
yes.
I am coming to the tilde sign. Okay, I am coming to the tilde. Then I have come back to the home directory of my Vikas at this point. Okay, see the tilde means I came to the home directory. Earlier I was into the root location. Now I'm into this location. Okay, now I will become a sudo -i. I'm running the sudo -i command. As soon as I press enter, now what will happen? Vikas user has been changed to the root user. Why I change myself to the root user, or what is the reason, or what can be the possible thing? Why? What is
Because the
root user now?
root user have all the permission.
Extra privileges permissions. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Root user has the extra privilege permission. I can perform the activity into this machine. Cool. Okay. So guys, the simple thing I would like to say that user also has the location, drive is also the, and root can be the user also, root can be the location as well. Correct? Don't get confused. When the Linux came into the picture, student, some very basic question with 10-year experience person, they have asked, what is root? And that 10-year person has given the wrong answer. Okay, he just roam here and there, but he has not straightforward that root can be the location also, root will be the user as well. Interviewer just expecting this simple answer. Okay, so you have to give a proper answer. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, now I'm into the home location of the root user. Okay, now my requirement, I'm coming to the requirement. I don't want to go into the different way. I would like to install the Docker. Okay, so how can I install the Docker? There are simple commands. I will execute in front of you and I will install the Docker. Okay, I would like to follow all the best practice. So first I am updating the packages of this machine, apt get update. As soon as I will run this command, whatever the packages of this machine will be get updated, because I would like to follow the best practice which you have to use in your production environment. Make sense? Agree? Yes, no.
Sir, we can write initially sudo also, no, while getting the packages updated.
We can write it. Okay, we can write, but I already run the sudo command, so it's not required.
Okay.
Okay, now second thing. Okay, how to check the Docker is available in this machine? What is the simple command I can use it? I would like to check Docker is available in this machine or not.
Docker -f version.
Correct. I can check Docker -version. Let's assume I don't know -v command also. I just type Docker and I press enter. I get the output that Docker not found. Docker is not available. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
And Linux is very smart.
Yes,
He's telling me run this command if you want to install a Docker.
Install Docker.
Right? So I'm just taking this command apt install docker.io, and what will happen? Docker will be installed in my machine. And it is asking me it will require 284 additional MB space will be required. I'm telling yes, let's take it, and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, Docker will be installed in my machine, and with the help of this command, I will check it that Docker is installed or not. Now I have a question, guys. What can be the latest version of the Docker? What will be the latest version of the Docker? Go ahead, give me the answer. If you want, go to the Google and give me the answer before I run that command. Because when you say that I work into the Docker, I know Docker, he will ask a simple question, which version of Docker you used, and you will say
27.3.1.
one person has given the answer. What about others?
Yeah,
Okay.
same 27.3.1.
Oh, it upgraded even more.
That's okay. That's okay. Not a problem. You are also correct. But this has been installed 24.0 version. 27 is also a correct answer. Okay. This is the latest version. This is the stable version. Okay. So yes, 24.07 is the version which I am using in this machine. Okay.
One thing I would like. So why we need to install in root, or why not in that user Vikas root?
It will see Vikas don't have the permission to install any of the application. Okay, so it will get installed with the help of root user only. Okay.
But we can access it from that user, right?
Definitely we can access from that user. Okay. So at this point, guys, if you will see these steps, I'm done with the step 1. I created a GCP machine. Okay. I created a virtual machine Dixit. Okay. And I have installed the Docker. The version 20 has been came in front of me, 24.01. This version has been came. All good till now? Yes, no?
Yes.
Right. I just installed a Docker into the machine. Now, in this thing, you have told a lot of things, right? So my server thing is done. Server, operating system, compute, CPU, memory. This part is done. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Now, next, we need a web hosting kind of thing. So it will get hosted into this machine only, this VM only. Okay. Now, web application means, yeah, developer has to come into the picture and he has to write the code. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, developer has to come into the picture and has to write the code and give it to us. Yes, I can take the help from the developers write the code and give it to us. So I'm going to one of the simple website where a lot of templates are available, and I'm taking any of the template, or I'm taking any of the website. Okay, I'm coming down and there are so many free templates are available. I'm just going into the free templates and I'm coming to the page number 2. Okay, now guys, I want you to choose any of the template from here. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9 or 12, any
7.
number you can choose. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A2 cut. Okay, cool. I'm taking this, I'm going to create this type of website in front of you. Are you everyone ready? Agree?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes. Okay, then what I'm doing it, I'm clicking on the download. As soon as I click on the download, my God, this code has been downloaded in my Windows machine. Correct?
Yes.
But I don't need in my Windows machine. I want this into my Linux machine. How can I take into the Linux machine?
You can copy SCP.
Correct. I have to download it here. I have to use any external tool, and then I have to copy to the Linux machine. Okay, possible. One option is okay. What about else? What else?
Wget you can use.
What is that? Wget. What do you mean by Wget?
You can download.
Very good, Amir. Yes, we can copy the link. I'm copying the link of this tab. Okay. I'm going to my Linux machine and I'm typing wget. Okay. I'm writing the wget command and I'm giving the URL which I have copied and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, what will happen? Something has been downloaded, and with the help of ls command, hcut.zip file, one zip file which was downloaded into my Windows, the same file has been downloaded in my Linux also. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone, is everyone? Can you just type yes into the chat box? Everyone, please, everyone. We are done with the step 4 as well, guys. Okay. We are done with I've downloaded the code as well. Okay. As soon as I download it, now, if it's a zip file, I have to unzip also. I would like to unzip as well. How can I unzip it? How can I unzip it?
Tar.
Zip
I
file
guess you
name.
can use tar
You
or
can
unzip.
command, you can use unzip command.
tar.unzip, I think so.
I think so will
Unzip
not
it.
work into the interview. Guys, everyone write the command into the chat box. Let's see how many people knows the reality, want to live into the reality. Write into the chat box.
Unzip and the file name.
Write into the chat box, whatever it is. Whatever it is,
Zip
guys.
file name.
Correct. Write into the chat box. Write into the chat. Everyone. Write into the chat. Everyone, write into the chat. Okay, I get the answer as unzip, UNZIP, okay, and the file name. I'm just unzipping it. And as soon as I press enter, I get one error that unzip is not found. Means this software is not available in this machine. Correct?
Yes.
Then what is the solution? I have to install this software in my machine. So I'm just running the
Yes, sir.
npd install unzip command and I'm pressing enter and this software will be installed in my machine. Okay, now I'm rerunning the same command unzip edx-catch.zip and as soon as I press enter, it is unzipped and the one file has been created for me or one folder has been created. Means it is unzipped and it is showing into this place. Cool, all good till now?
Yes.
Everyone?
One more time. Unzip thing.
Okay, so at this point, I'm done with the step 4. Guys, can you type 4 into the
Yes, sir.
chat box? Whatever the step is clear for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, just type 4 into the chat box if all good. Only
Sir,
one
can you
person.
repeat like unzip
Okay,
thing one?
I have to unzip it. Okay, so what I did see, I'm taking this step here. Okay, into the notepad. And in this, what exactly it is, I downloaded the code with the help of wget command. As soon as I downloaded, it came into the zip format. Okay, now the problem is I want to unzip it. So what I did, I run the unzip command unz, okay, unzip and the file name abc.zip. Okay, and after that I run this command and I get to know that unzip software itself is not available. So what I did, I've installed the unzip software and after that I run this command again and it is unzipped for me. Cool. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys, only one person able to reach to the 4th step. What about this? I get only one message into the chat. What about this?
Me is done, Vikas. But can you paste this commands into the chat box,
I will
please?
give everything. I will give everything. No worries. Only 2%, 3%, 4%. What about others? 5. What about others? Guys, here I am doing the practical for you. If you will not able to understand the practical, there is no sense to do the practical. So I want you to understand the things. Because I'm going to do 40 or 50 practicals in front of you. And I want you have to understand all the 40 to 50 practicals. Because tomorrow you have to do the same practical in the class. Okay, please. Okay, cool. Now I have done and the software is available. Okay, now I'm coming to the step 5. Now what will be happen with the help of step 5? I'm telling that I will take the nginx. What is the nginx? I will take because my next requirement is I need a web server. Now, one second. Now what happened? I have a code. Till now, I have a code available in my machine. Yes, code is available. Now I will run this code with the web server. Correct? So I'm using the technology called Docker. Or with the help of Docker, what will happen? It will create a container of nginx and connect with this code. Means code will connect with web server. This is what happening in the next step. Guys, you are understood what exactly will happen? Whatever the code I have downloaded, this code will get connected to the web server with the help of Docker in terms of container. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm just running one command in front of you. Okay, I'm running one command in front of you. I'm taking this command. Okay, I will explain you. No need to worry. Okay, I'm taking this command in front of you guys. Okay, and in this command, what exactly my file name is? My file name is hcut.html. Okay, so I'm just taking this hcut.html. Are we into the root location? Guys, how to check we are into the root location or not? How to check it?
Where am I?
PWD.
Amit, you are wrong. PWD. Okay.
Long
And
back,
with the
yes.
help of PWD, I get to know that yes, I'm into the root location /root and this. Okay. And yes, I'm into the /root location here. And yes, and I'm coming, I'm just taking this command and I'm executing it. As soon as I will execute, what will happen? Can anyone give me the answer?
It will create the containers and it will run from the detached modes and also mapping the port numbers by using -p command. First 80 is from EC2 and second 80 from container port.
Yuvraj, go and give this answer into the interview. Okay. Yes. What will happen? Port number 80 of my virtual machine will be mapped with the 80 port number of the container. Okay. This is the code. This will get connected to the HTML. This will get connected to the Nginx container. Okay. But before running this, I would like to check what is happening, what is running into this machine first. Okay. On the port number 80. Okay. I'm checking it and I'm not able to see anything. Okay. Double column 80 and I'm not able to see anything. I'm giving this link to you. Can you check it and let me know anything is visible, anything is running for you or not? Can you check it quickly? Confirm me anything is running or not?
Empty.
Empty. Okay. Not reachable.
Yeah, yes.
Is this working or not, guys? Quickly give me the answer.
Not working.
Not working. One person is telling not working. What about others? What about others?
Not work.
Not working, right? It is not working. Guys, you are able to see my screen? Just give me a second.
Yes,
I will change it. Yeah. Guys, I hope you are able to see my screen, right? 1 second. Okay. Yeah. I can see that it is not working for me. Correct? Guys, you are able to see my screen, right? Yes or no? Please confirm.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
sir. No, sir.
No, your screen is not visible.
Okay.
Yes,
One
sir.
second.
Not
One
visible
second.
now.
1 second. 1 second. Okay. Now, I hope you are able to see my screen, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. At this point, we just see that it is not working for me. Now, what I'm doing it, I'm just executing this command. Okay. As soon as I will execute, one container will be created. Okay. It is downloading the container. It is downloading the Nginx container. Image is getting downloaded. The image become the container. Okay. How? Because we have written the run command. In the run command, what will happen? The image will become the container. And as soon as the container become, I can check it docker docker ps command. And yes, one of the container is running on the port number 80. Cool. If inside the virtual machine, it is telling it is running, but here it is not running. What can I do it? I'm just refreshing this page. As soon as I will refresh this page, something should run. Guys, for me, it is running. What about you? Guys, what about you? It is running?
Loading.
Loading. Okay.
Yeah, it's working.
Yes, running.
It's
Running?
Working.
It is up and running, everything?
Yes.
What I would like to say to you, yes, our one of the website has been created. How it has been created? With the help of only primarily this line? Yes or no?
Yes.
Means with the help of technology, what all things I've used? I use the virtualization, means I use the cloud technology, as well as I use the DevOps technology. Means with the help of combination of cloud and DevOps, I can able to achieve the thing very easily. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what knowledge will be required for you? Cloud knowledge as well as the DevOps knowledge, so that you can able to make the things very, very quickly. Yes, no.
Yeah.
Does everyone agree?
Yeah, so on Docker also we are going to learn things, right? Because
Obviously,
I didn't understand that, like the Docker.
that's not a problem. It's just a high level demo, okay,
Okay,
of
yeah.
the cloud and DevOps. I'm not teaching Docker at this point.
Okay.
You have to give me 1 week of time to teach the Docker. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, I
The
just did this.
demo will continue till when?
Demo will continue means I already move you into the cloud and DevOps, right? Yes or no?
Yes, but you
But this is the
said
demo of cloud and DevOps tool. This is a demo of cloud and DevOps, not a batch demo. I'm not taking any demo.
okay.
Okay. This is the cloud and DevOps demo. Okay, cool. Chalo, now I'm here, and as soon as you will able to see that one website is up and running, right? Yep, cool. Okay.
Yeah, so regarding this root it's got HTML and user.
Correct.
So what exactly that line is doing? Can you explain a little bit more?
See, the line, what exactly will happen with the help of Docker, one nginx image will be downloaded and it becomes the container and map with this location. With this location, v equal to volume. With this volume, it has been mapped, and with the help of this port, it is get connected. No worries. You don't have to learn the Docker at this point. Okay. I'm just taking the very high level that with the help of Docker, we can able to achieve in just one line. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah, makes sense.
Right now, my intention, what I want to show to you. Okay. With the help of this, what we did, if you will see here, with the help of this, what all technology I have used in front of you. I use virtual machine, I use operating system, I use Docker, I use Nginx, and I use the code. Are you agree? Yes or no? In the current example, I use this 5 technologies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or 5 components.
Yes.
If this 5 component divides into the different combinations, if I will talk about virtual machine and operating system, means I'm only using the infrastructure from the Google Cloud. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? It makes sense?
Yes.
If I use only virtual machine and operating system, means I took the infrastructure from the Google Cloud. After that, what I did as a DevOps engineer, I put Docker and Nginx inside it, and it become the platform for me. It become the platform for me. Now I can put any of the website and it will run for me. It is a platform for me. Are you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Right. This is the platform for me, Docker or Nginx. After adding the Docker of Nginx inside the infrastructure, it become a platform for me. I can run any of the application now. Okay. If I will take another example, okay, I'm taking one more example. Okay. And in this example, as this is a platform, now I have whatever the Docker container I would like to run it. I'm taking this example one more. Okay. And whatever the container I have, I will run this in my this platform. Okay. And just give me a second. One thing is missing. Yeah, latest is missing. So I'm just taking this and I'm just running on a very high level so that you will able to see that it is a platform for me. I can run any of the container now. And I'm running one more container for the port number 3000. Let's check it in the port number 3000. Anything is working or not. I'm just taking the same IP. Okay. And I'm just checking on the port number 3000. Guys, you can also check it. Anything is running on the port number 3000. Yes or no? Can you check it? I'm just checking it in my screen and I'm not able to see anything. What about you? What about you? Anything is running?
Not working. No.
Not working. Not working for everyone? Can you confirm? Can you confirm? Guys, everyone, I need a confirmation from everyone. Yep, it is not working. Okay. If it's not working, I will run this container. I will run one more container in front of you and let's see what will happen. Okay. As soon as I'm running this container into this place, okay, and I'm executing this and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, one of the Windows 11 emulator has been downloaded in front of you. Okay. And as soon as it will be downloaded, is this running with the help of Docker PS? Docker running processes, I'm checking it and I get to know that yes, one more process has been started on the port number 3000. Can we check it? Is this working or not now? As soon as I refresh this page, something is working in front of you. Guys, can you check it? Anything is working? Can you check and confirm, please, quickly?
Yep. It's loading.
Loading, okay.
Yeah,
What
it's
about others?
working.
Working?
Yes.
What is working? Yes, something 11, Windows 11.
Showing the date and time.
Obviously, means something application is working, right?
Correct.
This application is indirectly a Windows 11 emulator, which I am running in front of you guys. Okay, kind of Windows 11 emulator, which is I'm running on the port number 3000. Okay, so what I want to pass the information to you, I would like to say that this is a platform for me, right? For the DevOps engineer, this can become the platform for me. I can put any of the application and I can run it. This is called platform as a service. Means for me, I get a platform. I can run any of the application here. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Hi, Vikas sir. I have one question.
1 second. First, tell me yes or no. You are able to understand that part?
Yes.
Means for me, it is a platform, right? And for you guys, for me, it's a platform. I can run any of the application here. But for you guys, what exactly it is? It's a software as a service. You are directly consuming it. You are directly using it. Are you agree? See, this is the website for you. You can come into this. Furnitures are there. It is a furniture. You can purchase the furniture and all that. This is a service for you. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is getting confused or it's very straightforward? Let me take it again. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. When I took the virtual machine and operating system, it is an infrastructure I took from the Google Cloud. Agree? Yes, no.
Yeah, I agree.
Right? After that, as a DevOps engineer, I put 2 more applications inside it and it become a platform for me. Now it's my choice. I can run 1 application, 2 application, 10 applications inside it because this is a platform for me. I can run any of the applications or any of the website there. Clear? Yes, no.
Yep.
Okay. And the third is when I put the application, everything, and I hand over to you for you guys, it is a software as a service because you are directly consuming it. In short, I would like to say, okay, in short, I would like to say this, okay, when you will directly use it, it is called software as a service. When you will build it something, it is a platform for you. When it is only a hardware for you and you will move into that, that is called infrastructure as a service. Simple example, infrastructure service means you are taking an unfurnished flat. Whatever you want to do it, you will do there. Platform as a service means semi-furnished flat. Whatever you want to develop, you can develop inside it. Okay, means something or ready-made things are available. In my case, NGINX is ready-made or Docker is the ready-made available thing. I can create any of the application over there. That is called platform as a service, or I'm taking example as a semi-furnished application. Third one, software as a service means ready-made things are there. Go and directly use it. That is called PG or hotel. Cool? Guys, yes, no. How much percentage you understood? 50%, 70%, 90%, 100%. I need a percentage in the chat. I need a percentage from everyone. Because of your choice, I will decide it tomorrow how much I have to explain this. Okay, please. 50% you understood, 70%, 90%, 100%. Sandesh is telling 90%, Vishal is telling 100%, Yuvraj is 100%, Swati is 70%. What is the gap? Go ahead and ask the questions, please. What is the gap?
We'll go again through the video and we'll fix it because.
Cool. Okay, good. Acceptable answer, guys. Guys, if there is a gap, let's assume I deliver something, it delivered 90%. There may be problem my side problem or there may be side your side. You can have a look into the video again, whatever the part is missing, and make it 100%. Is it okay? And ask the question tomorrow. If you still not yet reached to 100%, ask the question tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Cool?
that.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so today, whatever the question from the previous class or today's class, you are feel free to ask with me. Okay, if any question you are not able to ask it today, tomorrow 9:15 or 9:30, after 9:30, you can ask any of the questions. Okay, cool. Go ahead. What's your question for today? First, I would like to understand. Some people are telling 90%, 100%. Guys, can you speak up also? How was the today's session? Go ahead, please.
Yeah, session was good actually. So as this is the first day, it's the overview kind of thing.
Correct.
It's good actually.
Correct. Okay. What about others? What other people?
It's getting
Good.
interesting, like exciting, learning
Exciting.
new
Good.
things.
You are seeing the technology, right? You are seeing the technology, correct?
Yes.
Okay. What about others? Guys, please. Everyone.
Hi, Vikas sir. I have one question. Okay,
Go ahead,
so
Yuvraj, go
when you
ahead.
can run one commands like 3000 port from EC2 and 3000 port for containers. Okay,
Correct.
so previously you have to open the port 3000 on security groups.
Correct. Absolutely. You are absolutely correct. Okay. I have opened the virtual machine port in my machine already. Okay. When you will do this problem, you will be into the problem that your port is not open. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Agree? You are not going to do the practical today. Okay, guys, you don't have to do the practical. From the Monday onwards, Monday we will create a GCP account, and from Monday onwards, you will perform the practicals with me. Okay, so till Monday, no need to worry, just gather all the information, because this first 3 days are the information. You are going to gather all the information related to cloud, all the information related to DevOps, all the fundamental information. Then after that, we will directly create the account and we will move into the practical sides. Okay, so yes, you are
Again, more
correct.
questions.
Yes,
Again,
Yuvraj, you are correct. We have to open a port and I will teach you. Okay.
okay. And again, one questions. How many time it will take? Means how much durations it is free from Google account?
Google account is 3 months free. Okay?
Okay.
Means my complete course will run for the 2.5 months and it will be free for the 3 months. Yes. Okay. So you can perform all the practicals with us. And AWS is free for next 1 year. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, if AWS account is going to expire soon, then how will I renew? Whether I should pay or something like new mail
I
ID
will
I
teach
need
you.
to
I
enter?
will teach you the tricks. Okay. Very bare minimal. We have to pay 10 to 15 or 20 rupees per month or 100 rupees per month max. Okay. Is that possible? You can bear the 50 to 100 rupees per month?
How much?
50 to 100 rupees per month. Are 1 rupees per day or 2 rupees per day maximum.
Okay.
Okay. If you are ready to bear, I will help you out. Because I am also using in the same way. I am also paying that much only.
So it will be same like as a free user or something
It will be
extra?
free user. It will be free user only. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. I will help you. No worries. Okay. And we will create an account. No need to worry, guys. Okay. Cool. What else?
So are we going to use AWS also, like, or only GCP?
We are going to use AWS also, GCP also, and in this batch, some people will create the Azure account as well. Okay, and you will explore all the 3 clouds. Okay, means I will take care of the GCP and AWS. If you have any question related to Azure also, I will take it.
Because I have one question here. So you create a virtual machine and then you install Docker manually, right?
Correct.
So cloud platform itself provided Docker, right? And then
I agree.
Why need to install manually?
Okay, chalo. Arvind, if everything cloud provider will do, they will eat your job also. Correct?
Yes, I do understand. But
Agree?
actually, yeah.
One point. Second thing. Okay. The costing of infrastructure service is very less as compared to platform as a service, as compared to the software as a service. If you will take the platform from them, they will take means you have to pay a higher rent to the cloud provider. Point number 1. Okay. And as a DevOps, you have to take only the infrastructure from the cloud and develop everything with the open source tools. Got it?
Okay.
If you will develop with the open source tool, whatever, see, every project, let's assume website budget. How much we decided? 15,000, the budget for this website, correct? In the starting, yes or no? If 15,000, if you will put everything into the cloud provider, what will come to your pocket? If you want the money should come into your pocket, you will use the cloud services, use the open source tool, and the money will come to your pocket. That is the work of DevOps engineer. Got it? You have to use the open source tool as much as possible. Then make the automation with the help of cloud services, because infra we cannot create. Infra we have to take it from the cloud. We have to implement the DevOps tools, and then we have to implement our knowledge as well. Arvind, make sense? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
We can take it. Okay, not a problem, but you have to pay a higher rent. Simple.
Why we
For
move
the
to
infrastructure,
cloud
no?
For platform. Please, it will be good, guys. If you will come up with the camera, your understanding will be good. Please.
And so the commands which we have run today, so we can run in the AWS also, no?
Everywhere,
while launching
commands are
instance.
same. Commands are same. Okay, Ubuntu is same in everywhere. You can use it AWS, GCP, or Azure as well. There is no problem. Alibaba Cloud also you can go. Commands are always same. Make sense?
Okay, okay, yes, sir.
Docker commands are always same. Linux commands are always same. It doesn't matter that you are using into the AWS Cloud, Azure, or Google. Doesn't matter. I'm telling you, you can go to the Alibaba or Oracle Cloud also. Commands will be same, and I will help you out. No need to worry for that. Cool.
Now I am confused. So
What
like
is your confusion, Vishnu? What is your confusion? Dikshit.
like in the resume we will mention all the three or only one or two cloud?
Dikshit, see. If I will teach AWS, that is also a problem. Correct? You will say Vikas is only teaching AWS. Right? And if you
yes,
will
sir.
say you know only one AWS and interviewer asks that you know GCP or Azure, you will say no, you will again get rejected. Agree? Vishnu, yes or no? Guys, are you agree? Others?
Yes.
Right? So yes, we have to understand, but we have to be expertise into one cloud. You have to be expertise into one cloud, but you have to be aware about another cloud as well. See, my expertise area is AWS, okay, or GCP, secondary. Okay, but yes, I can work into the Alibaba cloud, I can work into the Oracle cloud as well, or Azure as well.
Actually, jobs are evolving today. Okay,
Correct.
don't think that you can manage job with one. Okay,
Absolutely,
jobs
I
are
agree.
evolving.
Correct. Yes, I agree. Yes. Because it's a demand, it's a company demand, not my demand. I'm not forcing you to do all these things. No, it's a demand. Companies demanding it because you are demanding 30 lakh, 40 lakh into the interview. The interviewer will also demand, or company will also demand. Simple. And how the difference is there. This is the difference that I know the basics, I know the root of all the cloud, I know driving, I can drive any of the cars. Simple. Because tomorrow, let us assume you are into the AWS or you are into the GCP. Tomorrow you get an Azure project. What you will do? You will not say, I don't know. You will say, I can explore the AWS services and I can be into that part. Correct? Guys, are you agree? Everyone? Yes or no? Please type agree into the chat box.
Because I have one question now.
One second. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Go ahead, Amit. What's your question?
Okay, the commands you are using, I know that you will give me some, you showed some command set of
I will give you
commands.
everything. I will give you everything.
Can I get that one? Because half of the things I already created that Google account in, so I can play with it. I'm doing it.
I will
I'm
give
parallel, I'm
everything.
doing it
Okay,
out.
I'm giving everything. Okay, chalo, I will give it to you guys. Okay, no
Yeah,
worries. Okay, because this all thing, this is a day 2. That's why I don't want you to be trouble. Okay, but yes, after that I will tell you to do it. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 commands. Everyone.
There was one more. There was one more slide where on your.
Correct.
Yeah,
This
I'm
is
talking
done.
about that
Okay,
one.
these are the 1, 2, 6 command. Okay, and the next one is this command you are talking, right? Cool. Okay, and I will give you into the GitHub as well. I will upload this PPT into the LMS system as well. No need to worry. Okay, this PPT I have downloaded and I will upload into the LMS system as well. No need to worry for anything. Cool.
Sir, in the GitHub or GitLab, we need to pull or push like for everyday practice.
Yes. For the developer, yes. For the DevOps, no. Cool.
Okay. Repeat this statement, please, because I missed something. Repeat this statement.
See, for the developer, yes. For the DevOps, no. We are not writing the code every day. So why we will push the code, right? Developers are writing the code. They have to push it. Cool.
Because I have one query regarding yesterday, you showed us what all agenda is there for this classes.
Correct.
So you showed that cloud migration, and also we will be doing the practical for cloud migration as well.
See, cloud migration practical is not possible. Cloud migration is a theory. That is an extra session, day 45, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
That cloud migration is not a primary topic, but it's an extra topic. But if you really, guys, after 2 months, if you realize that we have to do it, I'm ready to do the practical also. Okay. But for that, you have to give 2 days extra, means 1 extra sessions you have to give it to me.
Okay.
Means 55 plus 1, 56 will happen.
Okay.
Okay. If you are ready, I'm ready.
Yeah, because nowadays in like
I agree.
HR are asking if you guys are in a
I
migration
agree.
team,
I
so
agree.
that's why.
Yes, I agree. Okay. Whatever theory I will give it to you, it's more than enough for your HR or for your interview.
Okay.
Okay. And I will take care of the practical as well. Because
Okay,
I have a
thank you.
ready practical for that.
Okay, thank
Okay, I just need one extra day. That's it.
One more thing, like how to enroll to the LMS portal, like.
Okay, cool. Sandesh, for that, Ekta or what we can say, Ashwini will reach out to you and he will
Okay.
help you out. Okay. Or it's a very straightforward. If you will see here, let me stop the recording. Okay, so that our recording will be very clean.